Hi, my name is Tasha Ventimiglia. I am the event director of Labelexpo Americas 2022. We would like to personally invite you and a colleague to join us at a new initiative we have this year called the Labelexpo Gold Concierge Service. Only a very limited number of attendees have been invited to join us this year. Some of the benefits that you will receive are complimentary registration into the show with your own registration desk. You will be included to be part of a private lounge on site where you have free catering for the 3 days of the show and a Wi-Fi so you can escape from the hustle and bustle of the show and network with your peers. You'll be invited to our Label Industry Global Awards ceremony, which is on the first night of the show. We will also have a band. It'll be outdoor in the entertainment district, and you'll get many more benefits as being a part of this concierge service. We look forward to seeing you in September in person, and we thank you so much for your continued support of the show. Thank you.